example. So it says, determine whether each of the following equations represents a combination reaction, a decomposition reaction, or combustion. So this is just recognizing the reactions and being able to identify them. All right, so let's do the first one. So H2 plus Br2 goes to 2 HBrs. So let's see, is it a combination? Do I start, if it's combination, then I start with 2 or more and I go to 1. So here I say I've got 1, 2 things, and I go to 1. So I go from 2 to 1. So that's our common combination reaction. All right, let's do the next one. So I've got this reaction. Let's see, is it a combination? So combination is going from 2 things to 1. Here I've got 1, 2 things, going to 2 other things. So is that a combination reaction? No. Okay. Is it a decomposition? Decomposition, we said we start with 1 thing and we go to 2 or more. I started with 2 things. Okay, so maybe it's a combustion. So combustion would be this guy has to have only C's, H's, and O's plus oxygen goes to CO2 and water. Oh, perfect. So this is my combustion. All right, let's look at the last one. How many things do I start with? 1. How many things do I go to? 2. So is that a combination? Nope, combination is 2 to 1. Is it decomposition? Well, I start with 1 and I break down, I decompose to more than 1. So this is my decomposition. All right, and then one extra question to ask you. If we look at the combination reaction, what would we call the product of my combination? This is a hydrogen halide because I've got hydrogen and a halogen. All right, so that's identifying our reaction types based on the reactions given, and that's the end of chapter 7. So the next lecture, we're going to start on chapter 8.